Hi, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The chapter name is Our Home, the Earth. It's a chapter number 2 for class 5. So let's begin our today's lesson. Everybody should have to open the page number 13 in their geography book. On the page number 13, Earth is the only planet suitable for living because Earth contains water, air, and correct temperature. And without all these, life is not possible. So, some elements are which make the atmosphere is air, temperature, vapor, rainfall, and wind. Okay, so there are two things. Earth is the only place for living because it contains water, air, and correct temperature. So these three are the basic things. But there are some more things required to live. It's an atmosphere. So atmosphere is made up of air, temperature, vapor, rainfall, and wind. If you see the picture on the if you see the picture 2.4, what does this picture is showing? This picture 2.4 is showing why Earth support life. The boy is saying why is Earth so special that it can support life forms. The girl is saying it gets the right amount of sunlight from the sun. Yes, the Earth is getting the right amount of the sunlight from the sun. And then girl is again saying in the third picture it has atmosphere to help absorb heat from the sun. So Earth is absorbing the extra heat from the sun so that it will not be too hot. The atmosphere also helps to prevent the loss of heat at night. So at night the loss of the heat can get lost and the night is cooled down. That keeps it warm. So the atmosphere keeps the earth warm but in a limited way. Now the earth is saying it also has water that all living things need, which also has water. Earth also has water which is living needed for living. Temperature. Every living thing needed suitable temperature to live. Okay, Earth receive right amount of sunlight from sun which makes suitable temperature. Earth atmosphere also helps by absorbing heat from the sun, means all heat of sun is not coming to Earth. In the last picture 2.4 you will see this. This thing saves us from the more hot weather. Right now the weather we are facing, it's a less heat. Mercury is not suitable for living because in winter its temperature is minus 175 degrees centigrade and in summer its temperature is 400 degrees centigrade. So Earth is the most suitable planet for the living. Now, everyone should have to open the page number 14. On the page number 14, Earth has water in its rivers and lakes. All living things need water because life is not possible without the water. 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. 97% of water is salt water, not drinkable. Remember, if we consider the Earth's complete land, then the 70% Earth land is covered with the water. And out of that 70%, only 97% of water is salt water, means not drinkable. Only 3% water is drinkable. Okay, now 1% of fresh water is in rivers and lakes, and 2% is in the form of frozen ice glaciers. So 1 and 2% make it a 3% drinkable water. Now, oceans and continent. Earth is mostly covered by water. 70% of its surface is covered by the oceans. If you see the picture 2.5, I will show you picture 2.5 in the next slide, but you will see it in your book. The rest of Earth consists large lands called continents. Okay, 70% of the Earth's surface is filled by the oceans, and the remaining 30% consist of large lands called continents. Distribution of continents and oceans are uneven, means not in order. Most of the continents are in northern hemisphere. Okay, now if we see the picture 2.5, the oceans and the continent found on the Earth's surface. Okay, so as we know, there are seven continents in the world. If you see in this picture, there are so many names there. So in this, oceans and continent both are there. So total number of continents in the world are seven. Okay, now you have to open the assignment from the class era or the class light. It will take only 1 or 2 minutes so that you can do it in very less time. Hope you understand the lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me in the class or in the live class. Okay. Have a nice day.